Hello everyone, my name is Venice and I'm here at the NSK headquarters in Kanama City, Tochigi, Japan to give you an exclusive tour of their production and assembly facilities. By the end of this video, you'll probably get an idea of how your handpieces are made. So let's go! Our first stop for this tour is the production area, where it all begins. And these are the different kinds of metals used to produce each part of the handpiece. First, these long metal rods are placed inside this machine to be cut into smaller pieces, and then the meticulous grinding and shaping of each material begins. These are some of the state-of-the-art machines that are used to transform materials into parts of the handpiece. Every time this machine turns, it changes its trimming tool. How cool is that? After all that grinding and trimming, the materials are transformed into these. Then they are washed here thoroughly to remove excess oil and metal flakes, which will then be recycled or reused. Next, NSK workers skillfully and carefully inspect each process piece for any imperfections before passing it over to the assembly line. After passing this strict quality control process, parts and pieces of the handpiece are now ready to be assembled. Let's check it out! And here we are at our next stop, the assembly line, where you can see all parts of the handpiece being put together individually by hand. Then each handpiece is tested for quality control, and only those that pass are marked with the NSK logo and tracking number. Now that the handpieces are ready to be packed, let's go to the final stage of our tour, the packaging area. Let's follow the robot. And we've arrived at the packaging area, where all the handpieces and all other products are packed and carefully labeled to be delivered to your doorstep. As you can see here, the handpieces are labeled and packed using eco-friendly boxes. And that is how NSK handpieces are made, from a simple metal rod to a first-class handpiece. For more information, please visit www.nsk-dental.com.